how to enable or disable web search suggestions on Google Pixel phone. So whenever you swipe up to search and then I type something like, let's say I type Mr. Beast, it's gonna show me these web search suggestions. I could disable them. If you go to settings app, then go to apps, then go to default apps, then go to home app, click on the beer icon next to it, and then scroll down. You will see search settings, then turn off web search. Now this will turn off all web search suggestions, so when you type in words like Mr. Beast, it's not going to show any web search suggestions. You could also enable it from the same settings. That's it for the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.